Have you ever faced the challenge of having more employees than actual phones? This scenario is quite common, especially in environments like busy call centers that operate with multiple shifts using the same physical space. The ideal answer to this situation is implementing hot desking devices. This powerful feature allows employees to log in and out of any phone, transforming it into their personal extension on demand. To begin setting up a hot desking device, navigate to your VitalPBX interface. Click on PBX, then select Extensions, and finally click on Hot Desking. You'll notice this section is similar to managing regular device extensions, but here's the key difference. A hot desking device is created as a device without a pre-assigned extension number. This setup enables the dynamic assignment, or swapping, of an extension to the device later. Creating the device itself is straightforward. Click the option to add a new entry. You'll need to enter a unique user device name and a helpful description. The system will automatically generate a strong password for security. A critical point: the name you choose for your user device must not contain any spaces or special characters. Please use only letters and numbers. Once you have these basic details, this is all the information required to register your physical phone. Don't forget the final and most important step. Click Save and then apply changes to make your new configuration active. While we're keeping it simple by using the default settings today, keep in mind that other options are available. For further advanced settings, you can consult the General Extensions Configuration documentation.